Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent chain. The longest carbon chain containing the principal characteristic group, amide C is equal to O, is hexanamide, 6 carbons. C1 is equal to carbonyl carbon through C6 is equal to terminal methyl. Step 2. Number the chain. C1 is the carbonyl carbon of the amide. Going along the chain, C1, C is equal to O, C2, H2, C3, HBr, C4, HCl, C5, HCl, C6, H3. Step 3. Identify substituents on the main chain. At C3, bromine, bromo. At C4, chlorine, chloro. At C5, chlorine, chloro. Step 4. Identify the N substituent. The nitrogen bears a 2-chlorophyll group, CH to CH to Cl, so the N substituent is N2-chlorophyll. Step 5. Assemble the IUPAC name. Parent chain is equal to hexanamide. Substituents listed alphabetically: bromo, C3, dichloro, C4, C5. Full name: 3-bromo 4,5-dichloro N2-chlorophyll hexanamide. Step 6. Verify locants. C3Br, C4Cl, C5Cl, C6CH3 consistent with hexanamide backbone and the structure drawn. No other naming possibilities arise because the amide group fixes C1 and the chain length is unambiguously 6. Therefore, the correct answer is 3-bromo 4,5-dichloro N2-chlorophyll hexanamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.